Good afternoon po. Ngayon po ay July 26, 2026 Sunday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 p.m. draw result ngayong July 26, 2026 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 p.m. 3D Lotto, 2 p.m. draw result ngayong Sunday, July 26, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. See you again later for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for July 26, 2026 Sunday. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 and Ultra Lotto 658 for Sunday, July 26, 2026. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of July 26, 2026, Sunday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.